Welcome to your guide for creating high-impact Azure video content using AI video generators like Google Vids. We are providing professional-grade prompts specifically designed to help you generate stunning, cinematic, and relevant visuals for Azure's diverse technology stack. These prompts are optimized for AI video generators, ensuring that whether you use Google Vids or another platform, your results look top-tier and professional. The key to great AI video is a high-quality, detailed prompt. This ensures the output perfectly matches the sophisticated aesthetic of the Azure brand. Let's start with a foundational topic, Azure Cloud Infrastructure. We need a visual that conveys scale and connectivity. The prompt should describe a futuristic, glowing blue digital cloud network floating above a high-tech data center with thousands of data streams. Remember to ask for a professional tech corporate aesthetic, deep blue and teal color palette, 4K resolution, smooth motion, and high-end 3D rendering for maximum impact. Next, let's craft a prompt for Azure Data Engineering and Analytics, specifically visualizing a complex data pipeline. Our prompt calls for a sophisticated visual representation of a complex data pipeline, showing data flowing through multiple stages. This visual should show raw data transforming into a clean, structured, and polished glowing cube representing a data lakehouse. Ensure you specify high-tech, clean, minimalist design, futuristic user interface overlays, and a professional motion graphic style for the best quality. Moving to AI and automation, focusing on Copilot and Logic Apps, we need a visual that speaks to intelligence and workflow integration. Use a prompt featuring a glowing digital AI brain or neural network integrated inside a sleek office environment. Highlight floating holographic UI elements, automated workflows connecting across devices, and the subtle pulsing of a glowing Copilot symbol for a highly innovative look. Finally, for Azure Global Connectivity and data centers, we need a visual that conveys worldwide reach and immense speed. Request a majestic, wide-angle cinematic shot of a digital globe spinning in dark space, with glowing lines and pinpoints representing global data centers. Emphasize that the lines should pulse with energy, visually demonstrating instant connectivity and speed across the network. Specify professional, high-end, futuristic, sharp detail, cinematic lighting, 4K, and a clear tech industry style for the best rendering of global infrastructure. Now let's quickly cover the best practices to maximize the quality of your AI-generated Azure videos. For focused and distinct results, use only one detailed prompt per slide or scene in your AI video generator. Crucially, always specify the Azure color palette, blue, teal, white, and silver, to ensure every visual maintains a highly professional and consistent brand aesthetic.